In this video, I'll show you how to clear cache on Insignia Fire TV. Step 1. Go to Settings. From the Fire TV home, navigate to the Settings menu located in the top right corner. Step 2. Select Applications. In Settings, select Applications to proceed to App Management options. Step 3. Choose Manage Installed Applications. Select Manage Installed Applications to view all apps installed on your device. Step 4. Clear cache of each app. Pick an app that needs attention, then select Clear Cache. Repeat for the other apps as necessary. Step 5. Wipe cache partition. This is advanced. Unplug the TV. Press and hold the TV power button. Plug it back in while holding it until Fire TV logo appears to enter recovery mode. Select Wipe Cache Partition and confirm. Step 6. Restart your Fire TV. Return to Settings, then go to My Fire TV, and then restart to reboot your system after clearing the cache. And that is how you clear the cache of your Insignia Fire TV. Now subscribe